here we are, guys. V-Rock Adventures. We got that nice and loaded up. Oh, that looks delicious, man. Let's stir it. Gotta stir it. Just look, guys. Look at my face, man. I'm enjoying this a little too much. Let's go here. Mix and stir. Dunk. Let's get some of the red sauce in there as well. Guys, go ahead and take a bite. That one's for you guys. Oh, look at it hang. Oh, man. Woo-wee. Alright guys, so we're here. We're about to open up the Birria Tacos for the first time. And man, let's just marvel at this beauty. Oh my god, this smells so good, guys. Looks amazing. Man, my mouth is watering, guys. The Birria Taco. And let's go ahead and dip it in some of that sauce. Let me mix. I'm gonna stir it, guys. There we go, let's go. Oh man, that's fire. I didn't know there was cheese in there, man. They hooked it up. Let's get some more. Now the Bangin Birria Ramen, guys. So let's go ahead. This is, oh yeah. Little chunks of the Birria beef in there. If you guys like, comment, subscribe, guys. That's really fire. That's really good. Ooh wee. I just wish there was a little spice in there, man. Put a little spice in there. I mean, it got some of the I'm sure there's something in here. Guys, I've been really into spicy foods lately. What is this? Oh, this is something. Let's see what this is. Can't see. It looks like nothing's in there, but there's definitely something in there. I think this is. You guys can see what it is. You guys can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir that in there. But this Bangin Birria, man, this Bangin Birria, let's look at that. Man, that's fire. Get a sip of that delicious Bangin Birria lemonade while I'm at it. Nice, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get some of that in there. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? You got, go ahead, take a bite. Take a bite. Go ahead. There you go. Woo! Excuse me, guys. I'm making a mess, but that red sauce, whatever that is, guys, make sure you get the red sauce. That's fire. Subscribe. Go check out Bangin Birria Tacos if you're visiting, coming through El Paso, Texas, or the borderland area, guys. Make sure you guys stop by and get some of this delicious birria, man. This is it, man. You guys don't know what you're missing out on. So I actually am going to be going to the SunBowl for the first time. I've been really excited about that, and I'm gonna bring you guys along, guys. I'm going to the monster trucks, guys. Monster trucks at the SunBowl. Aren't you guys excited, guys? This is why you should like, comment, and subscribe, bro. What is up, you guys? This is V-Rock Adventures. I'm here at the SunBowl in El Paso, Texas, on the University of El Paso Texas campus. This is the SunBowl, guys. One of the best stadiums ever. Just check it out. So the El Paso border between U.S. and Mexico is literally right behind me. The stadium is nestled right in the mountains overlooking both Texas and Mexico right over here. So it's one of the best places, guys. So I'm leaving the Monster Jam, guys, leaving the SunBowl. I'm walking through the beautiful campus of University of Paso Texas, and it's really nice. Is that a cat back there? I think there's some cats back here just chilling, man. Wow, this place is nice. You know, guys, up next on V-Rock Adventures, man, I might have to come and take a few classes here at UTEP. Oh, I think these are people's dorms, so maybe I should be quiet, guys. So check out this cool sculpture, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thanks for coming, checking out this beautiful stadium with me, checking out the Monster Jam. This was amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.